name is Lena, and welcome to my room and my new show. This show is educational and teaches basic topics like dishes, planets, and days of the week. You can also follow us on social media and stream our songs on all music platforms. Now let me introduce you to my best friend, Charlotte.
Hi, Lena. Thanks for letting me come to your room and play today.
You're welcome, Charlotte. I have a lot of fun learning with you. What are you studying today?
Well, I'm learning days of the week.
Days of the week?
Yes, you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Can you say the days of the week with me? Let's try. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
That's a lot of days.
It sure is. You want to know what else, Lena?
What's that?
Each day of the week ends in the word day.
That's 7 words with the letter D in them. So let's make today's letter word game the letter D.
The letter D it is. Let's play the letter word game.
Letter game song, it's a letter game song. Won't you play along? Letter game song, it's a letter game song. We learn all day long. Letter game song, it's a letter game song. Singing makes us better. Let's play with a bunch of words that start with the same letter.
D, duck.
D, dash.
D, dinner.
D, dusty.
D, dirty.
D, dog.
D, dishes.
D, dance.
D, dinosaur.
D, drive.
D, doctor.
D, donut.
D, dress.
D, drums.
D, dive.
D, done.
Let's go to the bumper.
Okay.
Hey, Charlotte, how are you doing today?
You said today's word. You just said day.
What word?
Day.
The word day is the word of the day?
Yes. Like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, fun day, heyday. What'd you say?
Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Sunday.
No. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, one way, this way.
Sunday, Tuesday, Saturday, Earth Day, Thursday. I get thirsty on Thursday.
Oh, Mikey, say it right. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Oh, hi, Lena. How are you doing today?
Hi, Mikey. I'm great. Charlotte, you know Mikey's just here to mess with you. Come on, let's go to Cairo's corner.
Okay, Lena. Okay, welcome to Cairo's Corner. Today we're going to be unboxing these cool toy eggs. Cairo, would you like to pick a color?
Yes.
Can you take an egg off the table?
Yes.
What color did you choose?
Purple.
That's right, that's purple. Good job. Can you open the egg and see what's inside?
Yes. I got a toy bunny.
A toy bunny, wow. What color is your toy bunny?
Pink.
Pink, can you say pink?
Pink.
That's great. Awesome. Okay, so now can I have all of you take one egg, please? Take an egg, Cairo. Hey, Chance, can you take an egg?
Yes.
Pick one. What color do you have, Cairo? Blue. Wow, what color do you have, Lena?
Purple.
Okay, Chance, what color did you have?
Lion.
Wow, a lion. Chance, did you have the green?
Yes.
Awesome. You had what does a lion say?
Roar.
Roar, good job. Can you guys take one more egg, please?
Yes.
We gotta open the last of these eggs.
I got a puppy dog.
Wow, a puppy dog. Cool puppy, Cairo. What animals do you have, Lena?
I have a dog, a rabbit, a snow monkey, and a leopard.
Ooh, those look really cool. Chance, what animals do you have over there?
Egg.
You have eggs over there?
Yes.
And you have animal friends? Ooh, do I see a duck friend?
Uh-huh.
Do I see a tiger friend?
I'll close yours, Charlotte.
Wow, you guys have lots of cool animal friends.
I'll close this one.
Thanks. And thanks for playing at Cairo's Corner.
You're welcome. Hi, Gary. Do you know what today is?
Yes, I do, Terry. Today is a weekday.
No, Gary, today's Monday.
Terry, Monday is a weekday.
A weekday, you say?
Yes, a weekday. There are 5 weekdays in total. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday are all weekdays. Can you say weekday? Good job. How do the weekdays make you feel, Terry?
Weekdays make me feel happy because I get to go to school. Sometimes I go to daycare and sometimes the gym.
Those are all great weekday things. There are 2 other days, Saturday and Sunday. Those days are called weekends.
Weekends?
Yes, weekends. Weekends are the days when you don't have to go to school. Can you say weekend? Great job.
Oh, and I get to do things like go to the movies and to the park. I love the weekends.
Exactly. The weekends are made for fun and family time.
I love family time.
So, Lena, what do you like better? Weekends or weekdays?
I love weekdays because I get to go to school and that's so much fun.
I love weekends because on weekends I get to go hang out with my family and my friends and relax.
Yeah, that's nice. I like weekends because sometimes you get to sing with your family, and speaking of which, let's go to Mom's studio.
Okay, let's go.
Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Oh, hi Lena. Hi Charlotte.
Hi, Mommy. What are you up to today?
Well, I just finished writing a song about the days of the week. Would you guys like to hear it?
Yes, we totally would.
Okay, awesome.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. These are the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. These are the days of the week. It's Monday when the week begins. That means we start the week again. You get to go see your friends. Say goodbye to the weekend. Monday, what's tomorrow? things for you. It's the weekend, what you plan to do? See a movie, have a picnic. It's the weekend. What day is it? Then it's Saturday, and it's Sunday. 7 days and all. Can you name them all? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. These are the days of the week. These are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. These are the days of the week.
That's all for this week's show. Join us again next week for another episode of Lena's Room.
Yeah, and don't forget to follow us on all social media platforms. See you later.
Bye.